everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shopify app. You click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you search about Shopify and you click. Then we go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You search about the application of Shopify. If you find updates in this blue sign, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.